Welcome to our tutorial about the mirror command. Let's begin by activating the tool. It's located right here on the Modify panel. AutoCAD prompts us to select objects to mirror. Let's select this circle. Since I finished my selection, I right-click. Now we need to specify the first point of the mirror line. Let's activate the Snap to End tool. Select this end, again, and this end. Lastly, we've got the option to erase the source object. Let's right-click and select No. We've created a mirror image of our circle against this line. Let's move to my next example. Here I'm going to create 4 copies of this circle and rectangle within this larger rectangle. First thing to do is create some support geometry. Activate the Line tool, Snap to End, select here, Snap to Midpoint, select here, Snap to Midpoint again, right-click and enter. Let's create one more line, Snap to Midpoint, and Snap to Perpendicular. Right-click, enter. Basically, this point represents the center of the smaller rectangle. This point represents the midpoint of the small rectangle. Now I'll create mirror copies of this circle and rectangle using this line as my line of symmetry. Activate the Mirror tool. Select the objects to mirror, the rectangle and the circle. Right-click when we finished our selection. Now activate the Snap to End tool. Select this point, Snap to End again, and this point. Lastly, we need to specify whether or not to keep the source object. Right-click, select No. Now I'm going to make a mirror copy of both of these rectangles and circles against this line. Let's activate the Mirror tool. Select the objects to mirror. We'll do a window selection this time. Right-click to finish the selection. Activate Snap to Endpoint. Select this point. Snap to Endpoint again. Select this point. Right-click, No. Lastly, I'd like to make a symmetrical copy of this circle at the top of these rectangles. Let's activate the Mirror tool again. We'll do a window selection. Right-click, Snap to Midpoint. Select, Snap to Midpoint again, and right-click, No. Now let's delete our support geometry. Press Delete. This concludes our tutorial about the mirror command.